This is my camera setting. Okay, this one is DJI Mini Pocket 2. So what I did here, I'm using this, plus I have the 10,000 milliamp the charger, so I'm not going to run out the battery. And this is here for 360x. Okay folks, so is my menu today. That is the little fatty lamb. I'm going to use the lamb biryani. This will be the kabab. 2 pieces salmon steak. I'll make something on it. And this will be the chicken karahi. Okay. Beside that, that is all vegetable I have. And this. So will be one veggie dish. And masala I'm going to use spice today. Someone sent as a sample. I use that. I use part of this, part of this, part of this, and that's it so far. Okay. Sorry. There is, I have some ginger paste, the garlic. We made it earlier. Green chili is here, and yogurt. Basmati rice, and that's all. Roasted jeera, coriander, Kashmiri chili, ginger, garlic, tomato, garden green pepper. Up in slow heat. We'll be back in half an hour. So this is the pot I'm going to use for the veal biryani. Cardamom and I'm using biryani masala today. Here. So make sure don't use any salt. Ginger, garlic, ginger, and this is the yogurt, 2 tablespoon heap. Some cooking oil, green chili, fried onions, half cup. Mix them up. I'm just gonna cook low heat for a few minutes. Okay, so this very slow heat, cook for 15 minutes. So the salmon I'm going to do the air fryer for it's too hot. $14 minutes, 375, 400 degree. That's it. So folks, indoor, look, my sabzi is done, vegetable I mean. Let me show you how it look. Excellent, beautiful, man. And this is the Karahi chicken. So let's garnish it. Cilantro, mint, and coriander leaf. That's the cilantro anyway. And green onions. So this is done. I cover it, and I'm boiling rice here. This is the 2 cup rice, 2 cup of rice for biryani, and this one will be some keema. Will be now outdoor. This will be for the rice for biryani. This is the salmon is done, and lamb for biryani actually. Some mini slider. Actually, this goes for Kabab spice. This is the lamb biryani. So okay folks, I did few items for my daughter to take to her campus, plus we're going to have our lunch. So what I did now today, I did some steamed rice and lamb biryani, vegetable, mixed vegetable, Karahi chicken, salmon with a kind of sauce, and what else I did, and the kebab mini slider here. That's it. You can make some salad. We are done. So if you guys like, I spent almost like 2 hours today, and if you like what I did or whatever I'm doing it for my video, please subscribe who didn't subscribe yet, and hit the like button and the bell button, so next time when I upload, that can notify you. Enjoy your day. That's all. Bye.